Good morning, student. As you know, we have completed the chapter number 1. So today we are going to discuss the worksheet of a chapter 1, that is a rational number. The worksheet is already uploaded on a EduNext. Clear? So the first question is, the sum of a two rational number is minus 7, and if one of the number is minus 15 upon 19, find the other number. How you will do this question? The sum of a two rational number is minus 7. Clear? One of the number is given in the question, minus 15 upon 19. Let us suppose the another number is a. So according to the question, minus 15 upon 19 plus a is equal to minus 7. So this number will shift to transport to another side, so it will be a positive. So a is equal to, take a LCM now. 19 is a LCM. 19 multiplied by 7 minus 133 plus 15. After solving the calculation, your answer is coming minus 118 upon 19. Change into mixed fraction, minus 6, it's to 4 upon 19. Now question number 2. The reciprocal of negative rational number is dash. The reciprocal of a negative rational number is negative. Now come to question number 3. What should be added to minus 16 upon 3 to make it 1 by 9? Let the number be added with a. According to the question, a plus minus 16 by 3 will be equal to 1 by 9. Then you can take a LCM. Here comes 3a. After taking LCM, plus minus 16 is equal to 1 upon 9. Then cross multiply. We can say that we can shift this denominator will multiply by 1. So 3 upon 9 will comes into a 1 by 3. After that again this 3 will multiply with this equation. 3 is to 3a plus minus 16 is equal to 1. Now 3a multiply by 3, it comes a 9a. 3 multiplied by minus 16 minus 48 is equal to 1. Now minus 48 will shift to right side and the sign will be positive 48. 1 plus 48, 49. So 9 will be divided according to the simple equation method. A is equal to 49 upon 9. Change into the mixed fraction. So here come 5, it's to 4 by 9. Now question number 4. Here question number 4. What should be subtracted from 5 by 8 to make it minus 1? Let the number be a capital A. According to question, 5 by 8 minus A is equal to minus 1. So 5 by 8 plus 1 is equal to 8. We have shifted minus 1 to a left side. Take a LCM. After taking LCM, the value of A is coming 13 upon 5. After that, change into mixed fraction. Question number 5. Find the product of additive inverse and the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 5. Additive inverse of minus 1 by 5 is 1 upon 5. Multiplicative inverse of minus 1 upon 5 is equal to minus 5. So the product of 1 upon 5 into minus 5, answer is coming minus 1. Question number 6. Identify the property 17 bracket 18 plus a is equal to 17 into 18 plus 17 into 9. It's a distributive property under addition. Now question number 7. Rational numbers are commutative under dash and dash. Rational numbers are commutative under addition and under multiplication. Question number 8. Every whole number is a rational number, true or false? Every whole number is a rational number, it's a true. Question number 9. Write a rational number equivalent to 9 by 10 having a 90 as a numerator. Now you want to make a numerator should be 90. So what you will do, you will multiply and divide by 10 on the with the numerator and with the denominator. So 9 multiplied by 10, here comes 90. 10 multiplied by 10, it's 100. Next, question number 10. Write a rational number equivalent to 18 upon 29. You want having a 87 as a denominator. 80, so multiply by 3 and divide by 3. 18 into 3, here comes 54. 29 multiplied by 3, it's a 87. Next, question number 11. Every rational number is a fraction? No, every rational number is not a fraction. How 0 is a rational number? But we can't write in a fraction form if it is coming in the denominator. Next, 12th, convert into standard form. Standard form means lowest form. Minus 15 upon 105. Both are cutting on the table of 5 first. Minus 3 upon 21. Again cutting on the table of a 3. It's a minus 1 upon 7. Question number 13. Sabbu spent 1/3 of his monthly earning on the rent and 2/5 on the food and 1/10 on the monthly usuals. What fractional part of his earning is left with him for the other expense? Let the total earning by the Sabbu is X. Total spending by Sabbu is a fractional part. उस earning का third part. So x upon 3, 2x upon 5 plus x upon 10. X upon 3 according to the question. X upon 3, 2x upon 5 plus x upon 10 plus fractional part is equal to x. This is the total now. This is equal to the total income. So the left part will be come as x minus, means these fractional part will shift to the right side with a negative sign. After taking LCM, it's coming a 25x upon 30. Again take a LCM. So here comes 30x upon 30. 30x minus 25x. 5x upon 30. So change into the lowest one. X upon 6. So the fractional part left with him is a 1/6. Now question number 14. If 3/4 of a box of apples weight is 3 kg 225 gram, how much does a full box of apples weigh? Let the total weight of the box is a x. Total weight of the apples box is a x. So 3/4 of x will becomes into 2. It's 2/5. 3 it's 2. 3 it's 2.225 gram. So 3/4 x is equal to 3225 upon 1000 after removing the decimal. So this fraction part, when you are shifting to another side, that will be a reciprocal. So 4 upon 3. After cutting, you will get the answer is a 4.3 kg. Clear? So weight of one box is a 4.3 kilogram. Now question number 15. The area of a rectangle is 456. It's to 1/3. 1/2 centimeter square. If the length is 36.1/5 centimeter, find its breadth. The area of a rectangle is a 452. It's to 1/2 centimeter square. Length of the rectangle is 36. It's to 1/5. Let the breadth of a rectangle is x. So area will be equal to x into 36. It's to 1/5 is equal to 452. It's to 1/2. Change into improper fraction. Here comes 181 upon 5 is equal to 905 upon 2. Then when you are shifting to right side, that will be a reciprocal form. In a reciprocal form, 905 upon 2 into 5 upon 8, 181. So here comes a 5 because it is going to the table of a 5. After cutting, x is equal to 25 upon 2. Change into improper fraction. That is your answer. If you have any doubt, then you can ask at any time. Thank you.